Hello, everyone. Imagine this scenario. You've had a long day filled with back-to-back classes, endless notifications, online meetings, and screen time. At the end of the day, your eyes are strained, your head is pounding, you feel exhausted, and your energy levels are at an all-time low. Sounds familiar, right? Today, we're exploring a solution that might just be the reset button we all need: a digital detox. Specifically, we'll look at how taking a break from our screens can significantly benefit our physical health. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand the physical health risks associated with excessive screen time, identify the physical health benefits of a digital detox, apply practical strategies to incorporate digital detoxes into your daily routine. Let's start with understanding why we need a digital detox in the first place. The physical toll of screen time. Eye strain and vision problems. One of the most immediate physical effects of prolonged screen time is digital eye strain. This condition, also known as computer vision syndrome, results from staring at screens for extended periods. Symptoms include headaches, blurred vision, and dry eyes. The blue light emitted by screens can also disrupt our sleep patterns, leading to poorer quality rest and further health issues. Example: the office worker. Take Jane. She's an office worker who spends about 8 hours a day in front of a computer. At the end of the week, Jane often complains of dry eyes and persistent headaches. When she decided to take a break from her screen every hour and focus on distant objects, her symptoms improved significantly. Musculoskeletal issues. Next, think about your posture while using your devices. Many of us hunch over our phones or sit with poor posture at our computers. This can lead to neck pain, back pain, wrist pain, and even long-term musculoskeletal problems. The term text neck has been coined to describe the neck pain and damage sustained from looking down at your devices too frequently. Story. Consider Dennis, a technologically apt student who loves gaming. He spends hours every day hunched over his laptop. Over time, he began experiencing severe back pain. His doctor explained that his posture was causing strain on his spine. After incorporating regular breaks and stretching exercises into his routine, Tom noticed a significant reduction in his back pain. Benefits of a digital detox. Improved eye health. Taking a break from screens can significantly reduce eye strain. When you're not constantly focusing on a screen, your eyes get a chance to rest and recover. This can lead to fewer headaches, less eye discomfort, no strain, and improved vision over time. Analogy: the window washer. Think of your eyes like a window washer. If the washer is constantly scrubbing without a break, they get worn out. But if they take regular breaks, they can keep the windows clean and clear without overworking themselves. Enhanced sleep quality. Digital detoxing, especially before bedtime, can dramatically improve your sleep quality. The absence of blue light allows your body to produce melatonin naturally, helping you fall asleep more easily and enjoy a deeper, more restorative sleep. This leads to better overall health and more energy during the day. Example: the sleep-deprived professional. Henry, a marketing professional, struggled with insomnia. His sleep therapist suggested a digital detox before bed. When he started reading a book instead of scrolling through his phone, Mark found he could fall asleep faster and enjoyed more restful nights. Assignment: host a screen-free dance party for yourself or with friends. Create a playlist, dance for at least 30 minutes, and share a short video or written reflection on how it made you feel physically and emotionally. For further reading, I recommend Digital Minimalism by Cal Newport, which explores the benefits of reducing digital consumption and offers practical tips for doing so. Conclusion. In conclusion, while our digital devices offer incredible convenience and connectivity, it's necessary to recognize the physical toll they can take. We can significantly improve our eye health, posture, sleep quality, and overall physical well-being simply by incorporating regular digital detoxes into our lives.